Hi there, ka-chow chow. Welcome to Darling Suits of Blue Bless Beach Resort. This is our midnight snacks. We're here again at Darling Suits with private pool, jacuzzi, and we also have a pet Maggie and a pit bull. Of course, the husband of the pit bull. And guys, so relaxing. I really love this area of Blue Bless. Here comes our keyboardist singer, Mr. J. Redido.
Hi!
I'm going to show you our room again. We're back here at our room 1001. Ayan. Bango. There. With the movie Avengers. That's it, guys. Mga unday ta.
No? Kasi po ang ulo ni boss ba?